Into your property. We're here with Metric Design outside this morning with project facilitator Cory Pander. Good morning, Cory.
Good morning. I'm so happy you guys are able to shoot outside. I just figure summer's on the wind down. We're all starting to get crazy again. Seasons are getting busy and kids are back to school. So why not enjoy this last kind of beautiful days we have here and just kind of enjoy the last bits of summer.
Nice outside look. Metric Design right behind us.
Perfect, right? Yeah, we definitely love coming here. We love our outdoor deck and whatnot. We're looking forward to the season changing, but this also becomes busy time for us, so we're ready for you too.
Beautiful. And talking about that planning, investing into your home, and a bit of a partnership with Metric and some mortgage brokers.
Yeah, so one thing I've kind of reached out lately to a couple mortgage brokers that I found now. So I use a couple now, and we've built a really good rapport here, and they're highly accredited people. We just kind of found that everyone was just, their budgets were maybe a little bit lower than what they kind of expected to get a full renovation project. So teaming up with a mortgage broker really became a neat avenue for us, is that they have so many tricks of the trade or just different avenues they can do. So one thing that they really specialize in is that if you're thinking about a renovation, and so let's say your budget's 30 and then someone like us comes in and, well, actually it's kind of double that or whatever. It's hard to kind of fund that cash or get that in your head like, oh, it's going to cost a fortune. So a nice avenue that they can bring forward is they'll actually build it into your mortgage, and then we can also protect that build-in by doing an appraisal on your house with our quote to get the renovation done. So it really becomes a really nice transition on how to get the renovation going, as opposed to just being overloaded and overwhelmed and all this money. It's just nice to build it into that mortgage cost. So it's definitely been a unique avenue that we've been exploring, and we're just really getting that going.
Very good. And that really comes in handy just to know that final number, and then the appraisal side of things as well.
It's absolutely huge. So with the appraisal, because one thing unique to Metric is I can give you a full quote, like a start to finish, build, design, everything included. And once that appraisal is done, it's based on that quote. And so the quote really helps us get to a point where we can't go over it. So it really protects not only your home value after the renovation, and make sure that we are in line with that true value, because there's nothing worse than overspending the value, because you never get it back. If it's your forever home and you've decided 20, 30 years you want to be here, that's a different story. But if this is something just for the current, you want to feel good in your home, take back your space, living in a beautiful home, it's a great avenue because it just protects the value of your home, that when you do go to resell it, you're going to have that value.
Okay, get those numbers down pat with Metric helping out, and our specialized mortgage brokers as well.
Yeah, it's just a nice avenue. I think it's something you guys are really going to like, and it's a unique kind of thing that we're trying here, but I think it's going to help get the wheels turning.
Very good. How about maybe new homeowners, buyers, maybe someone's renovating for the first time? How does that all work?
Absolutely, and especially with home prices being so high, and we get into those high values and high payments, and you feel kind of strapped, right? And you always want to do something with your home, especially renovation. We could all do something, right? So the nice thing, including the mortgage broker, a quote from us, is we protect that price. And being a new home buyer, everything just seems like it's out of reach, but if you know the value's there and your monthlies just go up a little bit and you can have exactly what you want, I just think it's an avenue that's worth at least exploring a little bit.
Okay, well, working with Metric Design and Cory, how can someone get in touch with you and this new program?
You betcha. The best thing, you can always call over. I'm always here, so you can always ask for me and we'll talk you through it. We can definitely set up some referrals, or just on our website, reach out there and just say hello, and we'll always get back to you, and we'll kind of maybe explain a little bit of how this can work.
Good. You'll do the number crunching?
I'm the number guy,
okay.
so we'll figure it out.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Cory. Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.